Hi, welcome to this video lesson. I am NICOLE Bautista from BS in Business Administration, major in Business Management. And for today, we will talk about logical connective. But first, we should know what is logical connective. So, logical connectives are basically words or symbols which are used to form a complex sentence from two simple sentences by connecting them. And here are the types of statements and their connective symbols. So, the first type of statement, we have the conjunction. So, for the symbol of conjunction, we use circumflex and we use and for the connective of conjunction. The next statement is disjunction. Now for the symbol of disjunction, we use reverse caret and the word or for its connective. The third one is negation. So for the symbol of negation, we use tilde and the word not for its connective. Fourth is the conditional. So for the symbol of conditional, we use implies and then the word if then for its connective. Lastly, we have the biconditional. For the symbol of biconditional, we use equivalent sign and for its connective, we use if and only if. So now we already know what is logical connective and the different statements and their symbols and connectives. Now let us try to convert each sentence into symbolic forms and state what type of statement it is. Number 1. If today is Wednesday, then tomorrow is Thursday. So we have if today is Wednesday as our letter W and then tomorrow is Thursday for our letter F. So how we convert this into symbolic form? We see that the sentence has if and then. So if we go back to the statements, we will know that this is a conditional statement. So we will write this as W and then use the implies or the symbol of conditional and then the letter F. So now we have the symbolic form of the sentence, and again, this sentence is a conditional statement. Number 2. I went to the post office and the bookstore. Now for this sentence, we have I went to the post office as the letter P and then the bookstore as the letter S. Now this sentence has the word and. So we know that the connective of conjunction is and. So this sentence is a conjunction. So now we convert this sentence into symbolic form. We write P and the sign of conjunction and then the letter S. So for number 3, a triangle is an equilateral triangle if and only if it is an equiangular triangle. So for this sentence, we have a triangle is an equilateral triangle as the letter L, and if and only if an equiangular triangle as the letter A. Now, we can say that this is a biconditional because we can see that this has a if and only if, which is the connective of biconditional. So, we write L, then put the symbol of biconditional and then the letter A. Number 4. A number is an even number if and only if it has a factor of 2. So this sentence is just the same as the previous number. It's also a biconditional statement because of the connective if and only if. So first we write letter E, then the symbol of biconditional, and then the letter T. Number 5. If it is a dog, then it has fleas. So we see that this has if-then connective. So it's a conditional statement. So we will write the letter D for the if it is a dog, and then the conditional symbol, and then the letter F, which is the then it has fleas. Number 6. Polynomials that have exactly here terms and are called trinomials. Okay, we have the connective of and. So, it's obviously a conjunction. So, first, write the first letter, which is the P, then the symbol of conjunction, and lastly, the letter T. Number 7. I will major in mathematics or computer science. So, for this statement or sentence, the connective is OR. So, it is a disjunction. So, again, write the first part or the first letter, which is the M, then the disjunction symbol, and then the second part, which is the letter C. So, for the last number, which is the number 8, if it has exactly 5 sides, then it is a pentagon. So, for the last sentence, we have again the conditional statement. So, as usual, let's write the first part, which is the S, and then the symbol of conditional, and then the second part, which is the letter P. So, I hope you learned something from this video lesson. Until our next lesson, thank you for watching.